Hey, I'm Bill Faircloth with Carolina International Trucks. I'd like to show you the HX tractor today. Hey guys, I'm going to show you what this truck has. The chrome bumper, the aluminum front wheels, aluminum rear wheels, the dual breathers, dual exhaust, sliding fifth wheel, the nice headache rack already installed. This truck is ready to go to work. Hey, while we're back here at the back, let's look at the 12-inch frame rail exclusive to the HX and the 46,000 air ride suspension. I mean, I can just go on and on. This truck is loaded. This is loaded. This is loaded. Hey guys, come try out the HX at Carolina International and ask for Bill Faircloth.